Alright, so you all probably came for a news story update, on how to actually gain lots and lots of views on your story. Alright people, welcome back. My name's Dominic and I just got done with work. Kind of have a nice sunset here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna head home because remember I left my bike downstairs about 2 weeks ago and I forgot it ever since. I'm taking my bike home, which is somewhere over there, and then I'm gonna give you a quick little update about the hashtag situation. Right, so welcome back people. My name is Dominic, if you didn't know that. If you're new here, I teach social media marketing stuff. I teach specifically, especially Instagram marketing, all that stuff around building your personal brand. If you're not new here, you know all about that. And if you like these kinds of videos and all that other stuff that I do here on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button. And of course, give me a like. What some people probably don't know is I'm pretty self-conscious and it would really help me a lot if you give me a like. Anyway, so here's the thing. A couple of months ago I did a video about story views, how to get more story views, and we talked about throwing in 30 hashtags just as a text, pinching them, and that was it basically. And this method worked well up until a couple of weeks actually ago. It does still work with some people, but with my personal account it stopped working. But there's kind of a workaround around that, and there's kind of a twist that you should do. So this video will be probably really short, but it will help you get the most out of your stories. Right, so let me get into it. I'm just gonna get straight into the point without bullshit anything at all, just so you know what to do. Right, so let's take you out of your phone and take your story. For example, hey people, well, nice. I love winter and rain. There's something flying here. God. I have this cool story. There's something flying. So what you want to do, my friends, what you want to do is, first of all, mute this thing. And then, first of all, what you want to do is go ahead and put in a location tag. Like always, but this way don't just pinch it a little bit. And it's kind of a thing, try to get it off camera, just push it off screen. It's still there. Next thing, you want to put a hashtag in. For example, weather. I don't know why, but put it in and push it off again. Then, of course, when you try to put in another hashtag, it doesn't work because you're only allowed to have one hashtag. But here's the thing, people. Sometimes only it works if you put in one or two other hashtags in as a regular text. For example, rain, and sometimes a second one, but usually only one and not two, right? So don't overdo it. For now, we're just gonna do one other one, rain, off the screen, right? And this is basically it. And by doing this, I usually get around, sometimes 50, sometimes 150. I've even gained up to 300 story views, but that was only one time. It always is an up and down thing, right? So sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less, sometimes it's not even anything at all. So don't get alarmed. It's probably up to Instagram when you will get featured in the story and when not. Try to use more niche-based, not the broader ones, because I feel like it's harder to get into the broader topics and to the broader hashtags. Sometimes if you get there, you get like lots and lots of new viewers right away, like 70, 80 people right away, a minute after you post it. Sometimes you only get one and that's it, and then they just cut off, and then you only get one viewer. You definitely have to keep trying things. It's actually a numbers game. It's actually probably not even a numbers game. It's actually just luck. And of course I will update you as soon as I know if there's a pattern that I recognize when things work. As of hashtags in the regular posts, I'm still trying to figure out what's going on. It seems like now it's completely dead. I sometimes only get 2 impressions off of hashtags, so I will set up a new experiment from that. But you'll see in another video. So hopefully you've learned all the ways to get new followers through your hashtags, through your story, through everything. I hope you like this update. It's kind of all over the place. But anyway, it's been a long day today. My name's Dominik, and please give me a like. You know, I'm pretty self-conscious. And, you know, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see each other in probably a day or two. Bye-bye.